Sap, listen. Everyone says creatine destroys your kidneys, makes your hair fall out, bloats your stomach. Is that true or not? And what even is this stuff?
SCORP, you just rattled off all the main myths in 10 seconds. Okay, for the next 7 minutes, I'm going to break it all down. Let's go. Creatine is a substance that's already in your muscles naturally. Its main job is to quickly restore energy during short, powerful efforts. Imagine, you're doing a heavy set of bench press. Your muscles use ATP. It's like a battery for your muscles. It runs out fast. Creatine helps instantly recharge that battery right during your set. The more creatine in your muscles, the longer you can work at peak power. That means more reps with heavy weight, less fatigue between sets, faster recovery. The effect is cumulative. When you start taking creatine, its level in muscles gradually increases. Maximum saturation happens in about 3 to 4 weeks at 5 grams per day. And here's what's important. This is one of the most studied supplements in the world. Hundreds of studies confirm creatine actually works.
Hold on. Got how it works. But what exactly will I get? Real effects.
Great question. Here's what's confirmed by research. First, increased strength and power. This is the fastest and most noticeable effect. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice you can do 1 to 3 more reps or add 2 to 5 kilograms to the bar. Second, muscle mass growth. You can train harder, more reps, more stimulus for muscle growth. Plus, creatine retains water inside muscle cells, not under the skin, not in your stomach, specifically in the cells. Muscles become visually bigger, fuller, and denser. Third, improved recovery. Between sets, you recover faster. Between workouts, too. Less fatigue, more energy. Fourth, increased anaerobic endurance. Especially useful in CrossFit, martial arts, sprints, weightlifting, anywhere you need repeated, high intensity. And bonus, there are studies showing positive effects on cognitive functions, memory, concentration. The brain uses creatine too.
Okay, convinced. How do I take it properly?
I'll give you a clear protocol that works. Form. The best and most studied, creatine monohydrate. Forget all the creatine alkalines, ethyl esters, and other expensive forms. That's marketing. Regular monohydrate works just as well and costs way less. 3 to 5 grams per day. 5 grams is enough for most people. If you weigh less than 70 kilograms, 3 grams works. And important point, drink more water. Creatine retains water in muscles, so add at least half a liter to your daily intake. This will improve the effect and prevent any discomfort.
Okay, convinced. What about side effects? Bloating, kidneys, hair.
Here's where it gets interesting. Let's break down all the main fears. Stomach bloating. Creatine retains water inside muscle cells, not in the abdominal cavity and not under the skin. Real bloating is extremely rare and only in sensitive people. Kidney and liver damage. Another popular myth. Hundreds of studies show, in healthy people, creatine is absolutely safe even with years of use. Yes, creatine raises creatinine levels in blood. That's a byproduct of creatine metabolism. But that does not mean your kidneys are damaged. It's a normal body response. The only exception, if you already have kidney disease, then better consult a doctor. Hair loss. This is based on one old study where a group of rugby players had a slight increase in dihydrotestosterone levels. But no direct link to baldness was proven.
Last question. Do I need to take breaks? I heard you should take it for a month, then rest for a month.
No, that's an outdated myth. Modern research clearly shows breaks from creatine are not needed. Your body doesn't adapt to creatine. There's no such thing as tolerance to creatine. Even after many years of use, it continues to work just as effectively. The only cases when a break might make sense. 1. If you notice some individual unpleasant sensations. This is extremely rare, but if there are, take a pause. 2. Before blood tests. Creatine raises creatinine, and this can confuse the doctor. 2 to 3 weeks before tests, you can stop taking it. Bottom line is simple. If creatine works for you, take it continuously. Breaks give no advantages, only temporarily reduce results. Let's sum it up. What you need to remember about creatine. 1. This is one of the few supplements that actually works. The effect is proven by hundreds of studies. 2. Best form, monohydrate. 5 grams per day, every day, no breaks. 3. The effect is cumulative. Don't expect instant results. In 3-4 weeks, you'll notice gains in strength, endurance, and muscle volume. 4. All the horror stories about kidneys, liver, bloating, and baldness. Those are myths. With proper use, creatine is absolutely safe. 5. Drink more water. This is the key rule for maximum effect and comfort. 6. Creatine won't make you a champion in a week, but if you train hard and regularly, it'll give you a real advantage in progress.
Got it. Starting today.
Right decision. Tell me about the results in a month. If the video was helpful, hit like and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll break down other supplements, what works and what's a waste of money. See you.
Later.